Hello and welcome to Filings Corner. If you're making payments, whether it's salaries, rent, property purchases, or professional fees, you need to understand TDS, or tax deducted at source. TDS is a system where tax is deducted at the time of payment, ensuring advance collection of income tax. It applies across many transactions: salaries, interest income, contractor payments, rent, sale of property, and more. At Filings Corner, we simplify TDS compliance for businesses, professionals, property buyers, and NRIs, ensuring your returns are filed accurately and on time to help you avoid penalties. Let's break it down. Key aspects of TDS. You must know TAN requirement. Most deductors must obtain a tax deduction and collection account number, TAN. However, individuals paying rent or buying property under Sections 194IA or 194IB don't need TAN. When to deduct and deposit TDS? TDS must be deducted at the time of payment or when the amount is credited, whichever is earlier. Quarterly TDS return filing. Filing returns every quarter is mandatory. Missing deadlines can lead to interest, late fees, or even disallowance of expenses. TDS applies across multiple sections. From salaries to contractor payments, from rent to capital gains, TDS is deducted under various sections of the Income Tax Act. Common TDS sections you should be aware of. Here are a few examples of where TDS applies. Section 192, Salary Section 194C, Contractor and Subcontractor Payments. Section 194J, Professional or Technical Services. Section 194H, Commissions and Brokerages. Section 194IA, Sale of Immovable Property. Section 194N, Cash withdrawals above specified limits. Each section comes with its own rate and threshold, so it's important to get it right. TDS on rent. What you should know. TDS is applicable on rent under two key situations. If annual rent exceeds Rs to $40,000 and you're a business or individual with TAN, you must deduct TDS under Section 194I. If you're an individual or HUF without TAN and paying $50,000 or more per month, deduct TDS under Section 194IB. Rates: 2% for rent of plant and machinery, 10% for land, buildings, and furniture. 5% under Section 194IB for individuals or HOFs, payment timelines. TAN holders must deposit TDS by the 7th of the next month. Non-TAN holders must pay within 30 days using Form 26QC. Certificates to issue. Form 16A for TAN holders. Form 16C for non-TAN holders, TDS on property sale. When you buy a property worth more than R50 lakh, TDS at 1% must be deducted from the sale price under Section 194IA. If the seller hasn't provided a PAN, the rate increases to 20%. You need to deposit TDS within 30 days using Form 26QB. Issue Form 16B to the seller within 15 days of filing. TDS return filing deadlines. TDS returns must be filed quarterly. Here are the due dates. For April to June, July 31st. For July then September, October 31st. For October, December, January 31st. For January, March, May 31st. Late filing leads to penalties, so staying compliant is crucial. TDS forms you'll use based on payment. Type choosing the correct form is important. Form 27Q for payments to NRIs. Form 26QB for property sales, penalties for TDS non-compliance. If TDS isn't deducted or filed on time, it can cost you. Late filing fee, Section 234E, RA 200 per day. Interest, Section 201, 1% per month for delay in deduction, 1.5% per month for delay in deposit penalty. Section 271H, Rs 10,000 to R 1,000. Timely compliance protects your business and keeps you penalty-free. TDS filing plans at Filings Corner. At Filings Corner, we offer affordable and tailored TDS filing plans for salary deductions, rent payments, property transactions. Call us today or visit www.filingscorner.com to get started.